Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods sound delay problem on your AirPods. So guys, if you are receiving a delayed sound on your AirPods, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply restore your AirPods to the factory settings. So guys, for that you have to simply keep your AirPods in your case, and after this you have to simply close the case of your AirPods, and then you have to simply press and hold this power button of your AirPods for 30 seconds. So guys, do this, and after this your AirPods will be restored to factory settings. So guys, now you have to simply open your device, and then you have to simply connect your AirPods again on your device. So guys, go to Bluetooth settings, and first of all you have to simply forget your AirPods for one time as well. So guys, tap on this warning button, and now forget this device or your Bluetooth or your AirPods from here for one time. So guys, forget this device for one time, and after this connect your AirPods again with your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open this support app, and from here you have to simply explain your problem in this box in a brief way, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed from the Apple support team. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple devices for your AirPods. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.